we created a view over here that is user edit blade view. The other one we need to create is the one which will help you to edit it, and that view is nothing but user update view. So which is here in the controller. We already mentioned over here that the return view will be user update view. So let's create that particular view over here. File will be new, and I'm going to save this file first of all. So it will be saved as user update. So here there will be no dependency injection concept. So that is user update. Okay. Now I will follow the standard things over here. I'm not going to again do it completely. The HTML table head, whatever. So that I'm going to simply copy paste it. I'll include a body tag. Okay. The end I'll say end of the HTML. So now I will include a form. Okay, here it is a user management thing, and I'm going to do an edit over here. So I'll mention this in my caption. That is edit. Edit functionality will be included over here. The next thing, I am going to use a form over here. The form will have the similar type of the action as it is mentioned for any of the, you can see the Laravel concept. So that is body, inside body, I'll say form, and then the form. Okay, here I'll say form action, action colon edit, I'll say, and include a PHP over here, PHP tag, PHP echo $users, and I'll say over here 0 ID, which means that the one which is associated with the, wait, yeah, one has the association with the ID. Okay, and now I'll end it over here. Yeah, so this PHP, this will be ended outside. Okay, so now I'll use a method, that is method equal to post. Method will be post. Okay, so I have started with the beginning of the form. Now I will do one thing, like I'll create a input box over here. So that will be done with the help of a particular tabular format. Before that, this syntactical issue, like we are going to hide the information over here. Also a security concept of Laravel, name equal to token, value equal to PHP, this will be under PHP script, that is PHP echo CSRF underscore token. I'm going to use it as a print tag. Before that, I will in the tags over here. It's done. So we have completed with the full concept that the input tag is also being used. Now I will include a table tag. All the information we mentioned over here is in the tabular format. So it is table. So here we'll create a row tr. Okay. There I will include a name. That name will have an input type as text. So td name, td. So my here input type will be text. Input type equal to text. Name equal to user name. value equal to, that value will be embedded as users in the array format. The users of 0 will be redirected to name. So that will be included in my PHP script. PHP echo dollar users 0 name. Okay. So I will end my script over here. After this input type, I will end up with this tr. The other will be the submit thing. So that will be tr. Inside tr, I'll say input type equal to submit. So that will be my submit button. Input type equal to submit. Okay. Value equal to update user. Yes. So I'm done with it. I will include it inside a TD so that will perfectly define my tabular format. Okay. So this is my complete, you can say, the view, that is user update view. Now inside here routes.php will anyways register this particular view. So let's do it right now. So I'll say get, and my redirection will be edit records. We mentioned this in our user controller, user update controller. We had over here edit records. So we'll do it perfectly in that way. Edit records, and that will be user update controller at index. My user update controller, and the function name is index. Okay. The other one is nothing but edit. Edit will show two things: editing as per the ID, and that is nothing but user update controller at show. And the next one is user update controller at edit. We had two functions over here. So let's go to the browser and check how it looks. So we'll go to the browser with this particular view. So let's go to our browser. Here I'll see edit records. So this is fetching me whatever the records I had as I showed you in my example, localhost php myadmin. Here I had one record, that is users and Omkar ID. This was the name. So it's ID2. Now I'm going to edit it. What I'll do, I'll simply put it as Omkar, and let's update it. So it's telling me that record has been updated successfully. Let's click to like understand that whether it has been updated successfully or not. So I'll click over here. Yes, so it has been updated successfully. So in this way, the updations of the records also takes place in Laravel. As I mentioned, Laravel completely follows a pattern of CRUD, that is create, retrieve, update, and delete.